Hey there, I'm Amy. We're going to design the Tropical Sunrise porch pot today. We're using a foamed pot that's about 12 to 14 inches in diameter. You could do up to a 16-inch pot. If your pot is larger, get 2 kits. We're going to start out with our hibiscus bush that's nice and full. Anything that you unpack out of the box is going to need some shaping, so don't worry, it's not going to break. Just fan it out, give it a little bit of a bend and a curve. It's going to look a lot better. This is going to share the height. So we're going to angle that one a slight off to the right, and the left side for height will have this cool croton plant, which is a tropical type of foliage. That one doesn't need as much shaping, and that'll give you some height here off to the upper left side. Then for extra tall and a focal point at the top, we have these 2 California poppy stems, and those will kind of tuck up in there with the croton, and that will be the tallest point in your design. Stagger them a little bit so one is slightly higher than the other. Then we're going to fill in around the bottom with this really full Coleus bush, nice bright lime green for lots of tropical flair. That's going to tuck underneath the hibiscus off to the side, and that will give you draping and extra pieces that you can pull around towards the front and to the right. Then we're going to fill out along the back side with this mixed bush here with Astilbe and little flowers. That can fan out once you get it in place. Back over here, and don't be afraid to just give it a little bit more width and fullness. Really fills out to the side nicely. On the left for fullness, we're going to use this Fittonia, and that'll have a little bit of extra length so that you can have it draping over the side of your pot. And that means your greenery is now covering 2/3 of the front of your pot. And then off to the left, to balance out the yellow, we're going to put in this Rudbeckia daisy. One of them needs to be shorter than the other one, so we're going to cut off about 4 inches, and we're going to stagger the long one off to the side, and then put the shorter one just in front of it. And those can kind of flare out to the side a little bit, and that will balance the yellow on the right. There we've got a tropical sunrise porch pot for you today.